Hi friends, this is Ram here and it's first JavaFX 8 tutorial where I'm going to introduce JavaFX 8, its features and how to create a JavaFX application in NetBeans. So let's start with this. First of all, what is JavaFX? JavaFX is a collection of Java packages that let you add fancy graphical user interface to your Java application. With JavaFX, you can create a traditional Windows style user interfaces that includes familiar controls such as labels, buttons, text boxes, checkboxes, drop-down list and so on. JavaFX is similar to Swing. So if you have ever used Swing to create user interface, it's a good head start to learn JavaFX. Next, JavaFX features. In JavaFX, you can add the best visual effects and animations like shadows, reflections, blur, effects, etc. Then charts like bar charts, pie charts. Then 3D objects like cube, cylinder, spheres, etc. Then touch interfaces. You can add touch interfaces for smartphones, tablets and computers. Then property binding. In JavaFX, you can create a properties which are special data types that can be bound to user interface controls. For example, you can create a property that represents the price of an item being purchased and then bind a label to it. Then whenever the value of the price changes, the value displayed by the label is updated automatically. You can add a CSS effect too. You can use a CSS to control hundreds of formatting properties. For example, you can easily change text properties such as font, size, color and weight. And you can add a background image, gradient fields, borders and special effects such as shadows, blur and light sources. Then software requirement for JavaFX are: your system must have installed a latest JDK version on it, and you can go for any tools like NetBeans, Eclipse or Notepad++. But I will prefer a NetBeans. So let's start with the first JavaFX application in NetBeans. So to create a JavaFX application, click on File, New Project, and click on JavaFX application. Then Next. Here you can give any name to your application. I will give a JavaFX application 1. This will be your project location where your projects will be saved. Or you can change the location where you want to save the program or project. I will go with the default location. This will create a folder with your project name. Then click on create application class. It will generate an application class for you. Then finish. So this is your application class generated by the NetBeans. These are some imports for the class. This application import is to launch your application. So in JavaFX there will be always a main method to launch your application. Then the control button. Here they have added a children element button to print a hello world on a console panel. So to do that action, these two imports are added: action event and event handler. Then a stack pane it is a node to display your scene or frame. And this scene, the scene is of 300 or by 250, or it is like a frame of 300 by 250. So this is the import used for the scene. Then the stage. In JavaFX application, this complete panel is referred as a stage, whereas all the content in this are the scene. And here this children element play a character role on this scene to print a hello world. So let's run this application. So here is your application of hello world. So this will be your state. So by clicking on say hello world button, it will generate a hello world on console panel. So this frame will be set on here primary stage dot set title hello world, and the scene will be a 300 by 250. So this is the first tutorial. In the next tutorial I will show you how to create line quad curve with one interesting example. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.